Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best computer cleaning brush is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential tools for maintaining the longevity and performance of your valuable electronics, from delicate keyboards and intricate mouse components to the dusty vents of your gaming rig or workstation. In a world where dust bunnies and grime can wreak havoc on sensitive circuitry and airflow, investing in a specialized cleaning brush isn't just about aesthetics, it's a proactive measure to prevent overheating, ensure smooth operation, and extend the lifespan of your beloved gadgets, making it a surprisingly crucial addition to any tech enthusiast's arsenal. Number 5. OXO Good Grip Sweep and Swipe Laptop Cleaner. Introducing the OXO Good Grip Sweep and Swipe Laptop Cleaner, a double-sided tool designed to deep clean your laptops, tablets, and smartphones. It effectively tackles dust, dirt, and smudges. The microfiber pad effortlessly removes fingerprints and smudges, leaving your screens and surfaces looking crystal clear. Enjoy a pristine viewing experience every time. A soft brush is integrated to sweep away dust and dirt from all the nooks and crannies. Keep your devices free from unwanted particles with ease. When not in use, the retractable brush and storage cover ensure both ends are protected. This makes it convenient and safe to carry wherever you go. We stand by our products for over 25 years. If you're not satisfied with your purchase, we'll replace it or refund you. We're here to make it better, guaranteed. What we like. This tool offers a dual-sided approach to cleaning your electronics. One side features a microfiber pad for smudges, while the other has a brush for dust. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one solution for your laptop and phone screens, this is a great choice. What people say. This brush is great for cleaning keyboards. It has multiple brush heads that can get into tight spaces and remove dust and debris effectively. The design of the brush is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. The bristles are soft yet firm enough to clean without scratching surfaces. It's very versatile and can be used for cleaning not just keyboards, but also other electronic devices like laptops, phones, and even camera lenses. Number 4. OXO Grips Electronics Cleaning Brush. Tired of dust on your electronics? Our soft bristles gently sweep away dust, keeping your devices clean. Dirt hiding in small crevices? The slim silicone wiper grabs dirt from those hard-to-reach places with ease. From keyboards to camera lenses, it's perfect for all your electronic gadgets. Keep everything looking pristine. When you're done cleaning, the bristles retract for neat and easy storage. No more loose brushes. The silicone wiper stays protected by its cap when not in use. It's always ready for the next cleaning job. What we like. This cleaner features soft bristles for general dusting and a slim silicone wiper for tight spots. If you need to get into those small crevices on your keyboard or around camera lenses, this is the tool for you. What people say. The silicone wiper, especially when using the pointed tip, is very flexible and terrific at being able to fit inside the sides of the keys, and pick up dirt, lint, crumbs and other stuff. The retractable brush side is soft but precise, perfect for dislodging dust without scratching. The silicone wedge on the other end gets into corners most tools can't touch. This brush is well built, fits easily into a backpack or purse, and is collapsible so the bristles don't get damaged. Number 3. 8-piece Anti-Static Cleaning Brush Kit. This comprehensive kit offers a wide variety of brushes with different bristle hardness and sizes. You'll always have the right tool for any cleaning task. The round handle brushes are designed for intricate cleaning. They reach those hard-to-access areas like CPU fans and controllers with ease. Use the flat handle brush for cleaning sensitive items like PCBs and circuit boards. The crank brush is perfect for tougher scrubbing jobs. While most are anti-static, the scraper brush is ideal for removing stubborn stains and cleaning items like shaver heads or car vents. Effortlessly remove dust and debris from your keyboard and other electronics. It works great with air blowers or compressed air for a thorough clean. What we like. This kit provides a wide array of brushes with varying bristle hardness and sizes for diverse cleaning needs. If you're a tech enthusiast or someone who works with intricate electronics and needs specialized tools for detailed cleaning, this set is ideal. What people say. The fine bristles will definitely fit in smaller crevices. It worked on cleaning my phone and now it doesn't spaz out anymore when I plug in my USB charging cord. So much dust came out of it. I kept horizontally stroking the brush across my keyboard to get out all the dust. The dust particles stuck to the brush too and didn't go anywhere. The variety of brush sizes makes it easy to get into tight spaces like keyboards, ports, vents, and around components without worrying about damage. The bristles are soft but effective at loosening dust, and nothing feels scratchy or overly stiff. Number 2. Fourth multi-purpose hard bristle crevice cleaning brush. Introducing our premium cleaning brush, designed with harder than toothbrush pet bristles. These ultrafine bristles are perfect for reaching deep into cracks and narrow crevices to effectively remove dirt and grime. Experience long-lasting cleaning power with its flexible and ultra-durable bristles. This brush is built to maintain its shape, ensuring effective cleaning even for your toughest tasks. This versatile tool is your solution for cleaning narrow and hard-to-reach areas. It's perfect for tackling everything from bathroom faucets and kitchen surfaces to tile corners and sink drains. Cleaning and maintaining this brush is a breeze. Simply rinse it with water. Plus, with convenient hanging holes, it stores away neatly, saving you valuable space. This is the ideal cleaning brush for extremely narrow gaps and small spaces. Its thin and long design makes it practical for frequent use, effectively cleaning dirt attached to surfaces. Use it on shower door rails, sliding door rails, window frames, air conditioner filters, keyboard keys, car vents, and so much more. It's designed for a wide range of household cleaning needs. What we like. Featuring hard pet bristles, this brush is designed for deep cleaning in narrow gaps and tight spaces. If you often find yourself struggling to clean areas like window tracks, faucet bases, or car vents, this durable and thin brush will be your go-to. What people say. The bristles are incredibly sturdy and flexible. They fit perfectly into all those tight nooks and crannies that are usually so hard to reach. It gets right in there and pulls out all the dust and dirt, leaving everything looking immaculate. The bristles are firm enough to really scrub but not so hard that they damage surfaces. They're thin, which means they reach into tight gaps where no sponge, cloth, or Q-tip can go. The bristles are stiff and they get deep into those narrow grout lines and sink edges. Number 1. Cordless electric air blower with brushless motor. Experience unparalleled cleaning power with our advanced air blower. Its high-speed brushless motor delivers exceptional wind speed and pressure, effortlessly tackling dust and debris. This multifunctional tool comes with various attachments to clean everything from keyboards and computers to car interiors. It can even inflate air beds and assist with outdoor activities. Designed for convenience, this compact and lightweight device is easy to carry and store. It offers a durable and efficient alternative to traditional canned air solutions. Enjoy quick and convenient charging with its Type-C fast charging capability. A full charge takes only 3 hours, providing up to 150 minutes of continuous use on a low setting. Operate with confidence thanks to its intelligent safety features, including overheat protection and a comfortable liquid silicone handle. It's designed for safe use in a wide temperature range. With its efficient cleaning power, portable design, and built-in safety protections, this device is the perfect companion for all your cleaning needs. What we like. This device offers powerful, adjustable airflow to blast away dust and debris from electronics and more. If you're tired of disposable canned air and want a powerful, rechargeable, and versatile tool for cleaning keyboards, car interiors, or even inflating items, this is an excellent option. What people say. Powerful little tool. I use this to blow off grass from when my dog rolls in every yard on our walks. It works for the grass and dirt as well as sand. I use it to clean off the front door entry after mowing and weed eating. It works like a charm as well to blow out the garage. No more sweeping. This is a great product if you use canned air. It has saved me hundreds. Easy to use. Great power and rechargeable. Seems really powerful and feels solid in the hand. Great airflow, charges pretty fast and holds charge for a long time compared to others I have used in the past. So far very happy with purchase. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.